I'm Mahmoud from Mada Group. We run a diversified business in KSA and UAE. Our focus areas include real estate development, contracting, and infrastructure, building solutions, industries, and financial services. We were using Microsoft Dynamics AX 2012 and multiple software applications along with manual processes to manage various business entities. Our management decided to embark on digital transformation journey. So we were looking for a comprehensive and scalable business management solution that can unify all our business entities. Godrej Infotech recommended us Microsoft Business Central on Azure Cloud as a best fit solution for our business. Godrej Infotech has successfully implemented Dynamics 365 Business Central, a holistic, easy-to-use application which facilitates the seamless integration of our business operations. They have also integrated Business Central with the BioTime attendance system, which streamlines our HR operations. One of the highlighting benefits of this implementation is a dashboard for the top management, which gives a comprehensive view of the business and can make data-driven decisions accordingly. ERP modernization and cloud deployments have incurred several benefits to our company. With the help of the Godrej Infotech team, we were able to transit to the cloud confidently, which helped us to cut down the on-premises cost, optimize our operation, and leverage the scalability benefits. We found like 66% improvement in efficiency of the material requisition process and 79% reduction in time taken for purchase orders, and around 60% increase in the productivity of the invoicing processes. This synergetic solution has been highly beneficial for us. The experience with Godrej Infotech has always been incredible. Our previous system, Dynamics AX, was implemented and supported by Godrej Infotech, so we are familiar with many of the team members and are aware of their implementation expertise, knowledge, and excellent support service. This new project has been completely executed 100% from offshore, and the remote collaboration has been successful. We express our gratitude to Godrej Infotech for modernizing our business ecosystem and making it a cohesive success. Thank you. It was my pleasure talking to you.